Execution of Philly 17, the Nawan City, Batangas. Medal James Libertino single.
Maria Alicon Rupardo, 17 years old, from Turpiche Road to now.
And we are
the Ado!
Ay.
And we are the electric fan. And today again, later we will gonna be singing a
Tagalan mo.
Hindi, Counting Stars
Magbilang ng
by
star.
sino kumanta ng Counting Stars?
One
By
Republic.
Maria Alicon Rupardo.
Yeah. So I hope you like it.
Albinate may post.
Alam mo,
I've been losing
hinaan mo yan.
dreaming about the things that we could be.
Hinaan mo pa.
Baby, I've been praying hard. Still no one counting dollars. We'll be golden stars. We'll be golden stars.
Tininiw!
Ah? Hindi pa sabay.
I see this light like a silver vine in my heart across the line. Sexy out in the side. Oh, but I'm not the old, yeah. But I'm not the old. I don't need the word is sold. Just do it what we're told. But I feel something so right. Doing the right thing.
Ah?
I feel something so wrong. Doing the
Magkasundo naman kayo.
A good life!
Everything that gives me
Ang likot mo.
I've been
dreaming about the things that we could be. But lately I've been playing hard. And no one can know we'll be counting stars.
Tininiw!
I see the sign. Hindi na niya sa ulo. Ay, hindi pa. Joke lang.
I hope you like it.
Oh,
Thank you. Please like us.
Joke.
Comment!
Like it, Abu.
Share!
Like it,
Bye.
Like it.
Sabihin niyo kung tapos.
Oo, tapos na.